Everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we jump straight back into ICP. Guys, we've been super volatile over the past week, but ICP has been holding up super strong against Bitcoin. So we're going to go check out the charts today. But before we do, make sure all of you have paused the video, go and run up the likes. If you're new, go and drop me a sub. I appreciate all of you more than you can imagine. Let's get into it. Where are we today, guys? We're at 59k. Where is ICP today, guys? We are at number 19, 19, 20, 18, 19. What one is it? We're at $13.50 at a $6 billion market cap. Looking fantastic. Now, ICP yesterday, the day before, it was actually holding up really well against the dip of Bitcoin. A lot of alts were getting smashed yesterday. ICP did not want to go down. So at the end of the video, we're going to go and check out our trading view. We're going to see exactly what we need to be doing for ICP. So make sure you do stay to the end. But let's go check out the Twitter. There's been a new proposal on the SNS, and that is for the Motoko to go live on the SNS, guys. So what you want to do is you want to click here, and you can see that the active proposal is here. There hasn't been that many votes at the moment, so you guys, you can go and you can sign in and you can vote. But the proposal summary is right below, and you can see the token distribution, decentralization sale, Motoko SNS, the DApp, and then you've got all the resources and links. So you can go and you can read through that, and you can decide whether or not you can create an SNS named Motoko. But this is pretty cool. I mean, it'll be really cool to see if this does get listed and if this does go live on the SNS. But you guys are going to be in charge of that. You guys have the power. Go and vote. Now, how comes all the tokens that had people fudding ICP a couple of days ago are tanking harder than ICP? This is what I was saying to you guys in the beginning. I mean, all of these other coins that everyone's saying, oh, don't buy ICP, buy this one. Right, they were shit in the bed yesterday, okay? And there are going to be some days that maybe ICP doesn't fare as well as these other coins. So bear that in mind, because while we were super chilling yesterday, this may not be the case in the future. And you don't want all these idiots coming online going, ha, we told you ICP was going to tank, because... okay, it may if Bitcoin does start to dump to 52k, below 59k. Will that happen? Is it hopium? Let me know what you think in the comments. But we held up super strong yesterday against Bitcoin, ETH, and all the other alts. And now I'm going to actually play this short clip from Dominic. You guys can listen to this for yourself and then let me know what you think in the comments.
Everyone in crypto is talking about AI. There's the blockchain for AI, the token for AI, ChatGPT integration that you can use to put chat into your Web3 service. You know, we think all that's great, but we think in more fundamental terms. So, you know, the mission of Dfinity is to reinvent compute on blockchain. And that means we see blockchain as it is today on the internet computer, hosting social networks and order book exchanges and things like that. And the internet computer is capable of acting like a kind of crypto cloud where you can build anything with smart contracts. And that's why if you go to the internet computer dashboard, you'll see that it's processing about 350,000 Ethereum equivalent transactions a second today.
So that is super bullish from the horse's mouth himself, guys. I mean, we already knew this. We already knew the power of ICP. We already knew the power of the tech, how much faster, how much more scalable it is. But to hear it once over again, this should make you guys super bullish. And if you're not accumulating at these levels, I don't know what to tell you guys anymore. Now, we'll go and check out our trading view in just a sec. But look at this. Are we about to break out on the 4 hour? Are these going to be the targets? Let's open this up. We're currently at $13 today. These are the next key levels of resistance, guys. Are we going to start to break this high at around $18, $19 and pump straight to 30? But again, this is stuff that we need to be seeing, guys. The weekly CKBTC transactions showing steady growth in 2024, spiking around the Bitcoin halving. Unlock the Bitcoin economy of CKBTC for secure, fast transactions and a fixed fee of 10 Satoshis. And look at this, week 16, nearly 50k CKBTC transactions. This goes to show that people are using CKBTC. Alright guys, now I did just show this in a video for Jasmine, but I don't know if everyone watches those videos, probably not. But look guys, look where we are now. I mean, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 20% corrections ish, and we're finding support on this upper channel here, guys. Okay, so we've got one layer of support here at this upper channel. If we break this, I'm going to be looking for a next level of support at around 52 to 50k. Then we've got the middle channel here, and then we've got one lower channel, which could be like absolute worst case bearish scenario. Now, do I think that we're going to go to the lower channel? I do not think we're going to go to the lower channel. I mean, I think maybe at best we probably go to here in this middle channel, but again, I can't see the future, neither can any of you guys. But what I'm doing, guys, is I'm taking action at each of these levels, because I'm not trying to say that I know exactly where it's going to go. I just know key points of interest where we need to be taking action, and currently we are at one, guys. We've had 20% corrections in this bull run so far, guys, considering the bull run started at 16k when we bottomed. Okay, we've been going up since then. For 1.5 years, we've been going up with pullbacks on the way. So I know a lot of you guys, you got in at higher prices. You got in when Bitcoin was higher, when Bitcoin was like nearer to 70. I'm sorry, but people were getting it at 15k, okay? So just because you got in the market does not mean that the price just has to skyrocket because, oh, all of a sudden, Joe Blogs is in the market, so we must pump it. That's not how it works, guys, okay? People like myself, people like many of the viewers, right now, we got in down here. So a lot of our alt positions, our ETH position, our Bitcoin position, we are still super up, and these pullbacks don't really mean anything to us. So what you guys need to be doing is getting good entries so that future pullbacks, when we do start to rally up, are we going to have a September pump? Guys, if you're positioned before this September pump that could potentially happen, then the pullbacks that come along the way towards the end of the year are not going to hurt you, because you're going to say to your friends, well, I got in down here, all the way down here at 59k. Look how low I got in, guys. And they're going to go, oh man, I got in near 100k. I wish I got in at 59k when it was dumping and everyone said it was going to 13k. I saw someone saying it was going to 13k yesterday. What the fuck are you talking about? Alrighty, look where we are. I mean, I feel like a broken record, guys. You already know about the blessing zone. You know what to do in this portion of the blessing zone, guys. We just buy, okay? We just buy. Now, a lot of people are saying inverse head and shoulders. I'm seeing this pattern. I'm seeing that pattern. What I'm seeing is an amazing channel of accumulation right now, okay? So while everyone may want to try and say it's going to exactly this price, how many people online have said it's going to exactly this price and they were right, okay? It's very rare people get it spot on. That's why you need to have DCA levels. Currently, we're in one of the lowest DCA levels for this portion of the market, guys. Now, if Bitcoin does decide that it wants to go to 52k, then we absolutely shit our pants out of the blessing zone and we go to that $9 to $8.50 and we buy more. That's why I have an allocation for this. And that's why I'm not being super greedy, because greed is not only not selling, it's not buying at a good price because you think it's going to go lower because you're greedy and you say, I want to get as many coins as possible. Don't be greedy in either way, because greed is what kills so many investors, guys, okay? People think they know it all and they'll wait and they'll wait and they'll wait. They either become bag holders or they get in too late or they don't get in at all. So that's it. If you got this far, make sure you pause the video, go and drop me a sub and let me know what you think of ICP and the general crypto market in the comments. And until next time, it's been Real X Money. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.